Hello SY students. So let us consider the practical of synchro transmitter and the receiver. So synchro, it is an electromechanical device. So there will be 3 windings. So with the synchro transmitter, so there will be primary input, or you can say primary, and then 3 windings. So stator and rotor, accordingly it will be there. So something like 80 volts, that is the input given to the synchro transmitter. Then according to this sharp position, that means according to this sharp position, so these 3 secondary outputs, these will be coming as outputs. Okay, so these 3 transformer windings, these are respectively connected to receiver. So this as a transmitter, this as a transmitter, and here it will be the receiver. Okay, so transformer 230 volt, that is what it is given, converted into secondary 80 volts, something like that, and then it is given to the synchro transmitter. So with the stator and the rotor, so accordingly the 3 positions, that means 3 windings outputs, those will be there. So these 3 winding output that is generated, so those voltages will be generated in these windings according to the sharp position. So these 3 windings voltages, so these will be given to the input or as an input to the synchro receiver, and then according to these voltages, this sharp position of the receiver, synchro receiver, that will be adjusted to the same position as that of a transmitter, so that this will be used as a electromechanical device. Okay, so let us start the thing. So on केला, so I am keeping this, changing this one, so you can see there the value will be changing. So I am putting this on 0. So here maybe once again, so this will be transmitter position, that is what it is made on 0. ठीक आहे, 0 ला दिसतंय ते तुम्हाला exactly. Okay, and then output receiver position, so that is also nearly on 0. Okay, so now you can see there. So this transmitter position that I am putting on something like 40, okay, 40 degree roughly, this one. With the receiver, you can see there it is nearly 40, 38 or 40. Okay, so that is the same position, that is what it is adjusted or transmitted, you can say. I am putting this on the 90. Okay, 90 ला बघा आहे का, जवळपास आहे 90. So this will be also nearly coming on something like 87 or 88. Okay, so थोडी एरर, थोडी कारण मेकॅनिकल पार्ट्स असल्यामुळे राहते ती तेवढी. So this I am putting on 150 इथं, 140 rather, 140 आहे roughly. So see the output position, that means the synchro receiver position, that is nearly 140. Same here I am putting this on 220 synchro transmitter position. So synchro receiver position, so voltages म्हणजे बरोबर जनरेट होतात, so that these are the input voltages, those are given to the receiver, and receiver shaft will be adjusted. So किती, जवळपास 220 च्या आसपास आहे किंवा 217 आहे. Like one more voltage that we will consider, so that as something like 320. Okay, so 320. Okay, transmitter position, and receiver position, that is roughly 320. 320 च्या थोडंसं पुढं मागं आहे, बरोबर आहे, थोडंसं पुढं. ठीक आहे, so that will be the synchro transmitter receiver practical.